Gold Drama is a short drama streaming app with over 5 million downloads, offering HD playback, smart recommendations, and a diverse library of curated dramas. It is rated for adults and emphasizes a smooth, personalized viewing experience. While some online chatter mentions instant balance or rewards, the official Play Store listing makes no such claims. Gold Drama is strictly an entertainment app, not a financial rewards platform. In short, it is legit if you want premium short dramas, but the balance claims are hype and not part of the app's actual features. So basically, if they are telling you to download this app in order for you to earn money by watching, these news are fake and don't believe them. This is just pure entertainment, not some app where you can earn.